nETSETOS. Here we will start with Django Forms with Google Cloud. I am Tanu. Here, before we start this course, let's go quickly over what you should know before we begin. You should have a basic grasp of Python 3 here. We are going to be using Python 3.7, but if you have used any of the recent versions of Python 3, you will be more than fine. Make sure that you have a text editor where you can write some code. I am going to be using PyCharm here, but feel free to use whatever you like. You should be familiar here with pip to install packages via Python. Next, you should have a basic knowledge of the terminal, be able to run your server, collect static things, move between directories, etc. Also, you should be able to build a decent basic Django project. If you have any questions about that, please check out my Python Django series. And the other project which I have created here in my past series is building a personal portfolio with Django. It's a great refresher or to teach you for the very first time how to build a Django project. Here we'll be going into depth about all the different tools that we'll be using here. Also, you should have some basic HTML and JavaScript knowledge for this course. Basically, you'll be able to work with web technology. Here I'll be using Python 3.6.3 and a Django version 1.11.7. Thank you.